Okay, so let's just be real. Most of us don't have hours to make one video. You have to be a writer, an editor, do voiceover, and a B-roll hunter. It's all way too exhausting. But today, we're gonna fix that. HeyGen's Video Agent just built this draft from a single prompt. Script, voice, visuals, captions, all in one go. I'm Bree. I'm all about zero hustle as much as we possibly can in systems. So by the end of this, you'll have a repeatable step-by-step process that you can start today. So first, what is Video Agent and what does it actually do? You just give it a goal. It writes a script, it generates a natural voice, it builds matching visuals, time, the scenes, it adds captions, and you can select the style. You keep control of the duration, the layout, the voice, the music, and even the brand colors. Okay? This tool removes all the friction so you can just do what you do best. Let's jump in and start it together.
Okay, now we're over in HeyGen and we are just going to give it a prompt. So I'm just going to say, create a 60-second video explaining how to create Faceless UGC with AI influencers. Make it easy, break it down into simple terms, explain the benefits, and make it engaging. I can choose to add any particular assets that I want to add, and I also can upload from the device. I can select a particular avatar, or I can let it select avatars for me. Now let's just choose an avatar. There's so many to choose from. And if you take a look here, it will tell you how many looks they have. And you can just kind of keep going through. I'm just looking for one. Okay, let's just try player here. And let's give it a little bit of holiday flair since she's got on this merry sweatshirt. Okay, now we have Clara in place. Let's just start generating. Okay, so really quickly, it spit out all the information that we need. So it's like uplifting and modern, the music theme. It's going to be 60 seconds. It's going to use the avatar provided. I very well could have just included my own avatar, but I just want to use one that was already there for truly faceless if you don't want to show your face at all. Okay, so now let's just take a look and see what we got. Okay, so far it's looking really good, but I can tell you right now, I am not liking that music at all. I don't know what that is, what in the saloon music that is, but anyway, let's change that. So let's come over and we're going to click on music and let's try and find something better. Let's try this one. Okay, that's not too bad. If you're going to post it on social media, I would actually say no sound. So you can pick a sound that's native to the platform. So let's go with no sound. And let's say we wanted to change out something that's here. So we can search videos online. Let's try AI model. Okay, and let's just change out. I want to find some body. Like this one's not bad. Or maybe this one. So let's do this. And let's see. All right, let's just go with that for now. And we will go ahead and hit generate. I'm going to leave off the HeyGen watermark and I'm going to submit. Okay, now let's see the final result without the music.
Discover the future of content creation with faceless user-generated content powered by innovative AI influencers. Faceless UGC mimics authentic user content without showing a real person, while AI influencers are digital characters designed to engage audiences. These AI tools generate scripts, voiceovers, and visuals, making content production scalable and efficient for brands. One major advantage is cost effectiveness, significantly reducing expenses compared to traditional human influencers. AI also enables rapid production of high volumes of content, ensuring a consistent stream of engaging material. To create your own, first define your target audience and design a unique AI influencer persona with a distinct personality and appearance. Next, utilize AI-powered scripting and video generators to produce authentic-looking UGC videos, integrating products naturally. Deploy your AI influencers on social media platforms and e-commerce sites, then engage with your audience using AI-driven interactions. Finally, optimize performance by tracking metrics and using AI insights to refine your content strategy for maximum impact. Embrace this innovative approach to scale your content, reduce costs, and connect with audiences in powerful new ways.
Okay, tell me that was not pretty fantastic. I mean, she looks so legit. Okay, so all we have to do is download and post this wherever you'd like.
Let the agent draft the whole thing. So don't be too harsh on the first draft because it's going to buy a little momentum. Let it learn what you're talking about and what you're doing. So be patient. Personalize. This is where we can swap out some of those stiff lines for something that actually sounds like you. So you can add in a micro story or proof or a clear call to action. For example, my micro story is my faceless ad converted 2.3 times because viewers focused on the demo and not my hair. And insert one screen recording or product demo for proof. Here's a little pro tip. You can speed up the voice 5% for that tighter energy. I know you're wondering, when am I going to have time to try all these new things? I know for me, whenever I'm vetting a big idea, like should I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning and just get everything done, especially when I woke up at 3 and just went back to sleep at 5. Anyway, that's another story. But sometimes I just want to learn a lot and I just don't have a lot of time. And I was just all over audiobooks, but I don't even have time for audiobooks. And that's why I make sure that I get in that little extra education by using 15 minutes.ai. Because I'm not going to lie, I don't need a 7-hour audiobook to just give me the gist of the action steps. AI gives me the takeaway in minutes. You'll thank me later. The link is in the description. Back to HeyGen. This is where humans still win. Don't outsource your judgment. Keep your point of view, keep your real examples, keep your brand story, the moments that need your voice for launches where every word matters. Deliver those yourself. AI kills friction, not your voice. You just watch me go from idea to draft to polish with HeyGen Video Agent. So the benefits: no camera, no stress, faster publishing, and freedom. The link is in the description. If this helped you in any way, hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. If you like content that constantly gives you time, location, and financial freedom ideas, you're in the right place. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow. And if you like this video, you'll love this video.